Hey guys, I'm Larry and I'm back at it again. You need to hang a heavy bracket or anything to a masonry or concrete wall, a brick wall. Screws and nails are not gonna cut it. What are you gonna do? Introducing the sleeve anchor. The sleeve anchor is a fastener device that will hang and drill into brick, block, any concrete application. It is rated for hundreds, perhaps thousands of pounds. Also, later in the video, I'm going to show you a cool ratcheting wrench set that you don't have to reverse each time you want to tighten it down. The secret to the sleeve anchor's amazing holding strength is that it's solid metal and this bullnose edge right here. Now, once you drill in, pre-drill, and then put the fastener in, you're going to tighten this nut. The nut will draw in that bullnose piece further into the sleeve, thus expanding its wings, and that will bite into the concrete or brick and anchor it permanently in place. This is a 5/16 masonry drill bit. The packaging will tell you what size drill bit you need for your anchor. So this anchor is 5/16 by 2.5 inch. You're simply going to tap it in your opening, and then I'm going to reverse the nut. Now your bracket can be almost anything you want. Thread that nut back in place. Now the magic of the double-ended ratcheting set. So the beauty of this is you don't have to remove it each time you want to tighten it. If you look closely, there's a little notch there, and that enables you to ratchet action to go all the way tight or all the way loose just by flipping it over. All the products I use will be in the video description down below. Make sure it's plumb or the direction you want it. The V-nuts will go the opposite direction. So in this case, I want to tighten to the right or clockwise. And as you can see, I have ratcheting action without having to remove the wrench every single time. These are really the way to go. Okay, it's nice and tight and secure. These sleeve anchors will go in brick, masonry, concrete, foundations, really any masonry application. Let's see how strong it is. I won't tell you how much I weigh. It might start with a 2. Okay, the anchor would hold hundreds of pounds. The bracket is bending, but the anchor is holding strong. Hey guys, you did it. I'm Larry. I'm back at it again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.